it's damn nice to fly. Hey guys, these are the two new models from the Heewing Hunter series after their recent launch of the Lico, which is a very good beginner RC plane. So I was lucky to visit the office of Heewing end of February, and I managed to get these two latest models from them. One is a Cessna and another is a P51. Cessna will be released to the market first and then the P51. Now let's take a look inside, a quick one. So these are the parts, linkages. You got a propeller, very similar electronics compared to the Lico. My version could be slightly different than what you're gonna get in actual. You'll find this Cessna body down there. As for the P51, yep, similar electronics as well. And mine is a bit special. There are two versions of this P51 inside because I say I love the red tail version, which is this. But you're gonna only get one of it, either the yellow version or the red tail version. And my box does not include the remote because on my previous Lico they already have one, so I'm just going to rebind this onto a new receiver that comes with the P51 and also the Cessna. My time is tight, so I'm going to assemble the Cessna first. Right, so I have a 2S380 size battery here, and the CG point is over here. You can see the marking over here. So I believe it's on the 30% from the wing width, and it's quite level. Good to have the right size. You're gonna turn on the radio, plug the battery, and then you do an initialization. The elevator would move to, I think, to calibrate the gyro, control surface check. So on yours will be different. You'll be on the other side because I have moved my throttle over to the right side. The gyro stabilization will not work when it's turned on, and your throttle also will not work. You have to press the button 5 to unlock the motor. The stabilization will work and your throttle will work as well. And it's really powerful, very powerful for a tiny plane like this because it's using a 2S instead of 1S. So now since we have a landing gear, you could just try to take off from the land, but it's really rough here. I'm just going to toss it. In terms of the stabilization, you can press 6 or 7 to increase or reduce the stabilization. And also, if let's say to confirm whether your stabilization is doing its job at the right direction, is when you pitch down, the elevator should move up, so your plane will climb up. When you pitch up, the elevator will pitch down to push the nose down. Let's go full throttle and it's damn nice to fly. But it feels like probably nose heavy because it's like dropping and there happened to be a bird. I think it's pissed off with the noise. It's following really closely. Wonder if you... Okay, let's get down and not get bullied. Or maybe they really are just having fun. Oh. I gotta get back my plane. The freaking bird is distracting me. There are some wind here, it's really flying easily. So, unknowingly I've been applying a rudder as well. So we got a headwind from the left. So wind is tossing it around. Suddenly we have a really high wind now, almost lost it. Almost crashed onto the tree. The wing, there's just too much of erratical wing rocking it. Let's get it to land first, and then I'm gonna try switching to a different stabilization. And in fact, I'm supposed to maneuver this using aileron control, but in actual, it is a rudder that is working. So when it's like almost like out of control, actually, I was applying rudder on the radio, but the rudder, the actual rudder, you need elevator to actually steer it. I'm not using the rudder. So now we have very high stabilization. I'll press 6 to reduce the stabilization interference. And press 6 again, there's more stabilization. Press 6 again, less. Right. But there's still a lot of rudder control. It is the elevator stabilization that's reduced. So it's reduced now, and let's try it again. Okay, remind self to use aileron to steer. And it seems to behave like it is tail heavy because it's pitching up, and every time it gains some altitude and then it becomes fine. Also to make sure that your receiver is properly secured. It's flying pretty smooth now, but there is definitely less stabilization as I can roll the plane a lot. So I'm gonna need stabilization because I want it to be easy to fly, and as soon as I turn it on, you see it's very level. It's easy to fly. Wow! See those erratical wind. So if you are a beginner, you're stuck flying, I think this is fine for you, but still you still need to learn the direction. Minimum 3 channel. This is throttle, your directional left and right, and also pitch up and down. So I almost hit the bird there, and I think they are tandem. What? So plane small enough to have fun together with the birds. I think this will not injure them in case there's a collision. So it's really easy to fly, and there's plenty of power. Let's go getting some more altitude. I think it flies very similar to the Lico. And we are in a erratical wind, so it's rocking around. Otherwise, if you have a big enough indoor place, I think this would be nice. It's just that there's no headwind for you to hang around. I think we have a friend at the back. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. If you'd like to get one, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not done so, and I'll see you next video. Bye! Click the left thumbnail for latest video, or smash the subscribe button on the middle of the screen. So I'll see you on next video. Bye!